This is raspberry.
Oh yeah.
So you see, if you leave this in,
It's fine, yeah.
Should I just trim the whole branch?
and then when it starts to grow, you pour
This is a
another tyre,
rhubarb. Oh, okay.
fill it with soil.
See?
When it starts to grow again, you get another tyre.
Is there
You
a
can do
fruit
four.
underneath?
This
Or
is the
Oh,
fruit.
that is the fruit.
So these,
Yeah.
to harvest these, you just rip
like
the tyre off, yeah.
Are they ripe or is still no?
These, yeah, you can cut them the minute they start turning red.
Do you like rhubarb crumble?
Yes. Let's look at the amount of onions grown here. It's ooh, onions.
So what you do with these, Myra, let me show you.
Yeah. And then you just
And that's
cover it. That's it. Wow.
And then you just leave it.
For how many months?
About 6, 7 months, I
7
suppose.
months. Or it become one onion or like many?
No, just one.
One,
This
okay.
is one onion, yeah.
Alright, one.
Yeah.
There is so much onions. I don't know what's like green stuff. Some beetroot, yes. It's my favorite. It's very expensive in Malaysia.
Immediately I put line here. Oh, it's lovely.
And these are mostly rescue chickens.
Oh, from
So-
the farm.
Yeah,
battery.
so from the battery farms, when he gets them, they've got no feathers.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, they're just almost completely bald.
Asparagus, guys. I know it's a little bit.
Bother with tomatoes either, they don't seem to.
Oh, very
Get
tasty
the
bunches.
courgette.
But we took the other one instead. But ours is definitely.
The town council here like provided this land whereby residents can have like a portion of the land and grow all their fruits and vegetables here. Basically, you can do basically have an activity like gardening to do. So I think that's really cool, and they grow a lot of fruits and veggies too, like beetroot, asparagus, courgettes, raspberries, blueberries, rhubarb's my favorite.
These are triangles, huh?
Yeah.
These are hazelnut, guys. It's not yet ripened. Or maybe it is. I don't know. So freaking cool. Here.